Binance Pay. What is Binance Pay? Binance Pay is a user-to-user crypto payment service on the Binance app. You can use Binance Pay to pay, send, and receive your preferred cryptocurrencies, such as BTC, BNB, etc., from your friends and family worldwide. It is contactless, borderless, and secure. How to use Binance Pay? Binance Pay is now available to all Binance.com users. Before getting started, please make sure you have completed your identity verification process. Now, open the Binance app and log into your account. Click on the User Account icon and select Pay. If this is your first time using Binance Pay, follow the instructions below to set up your Binance Pay account. Please note that once you have created your nickname, you cannot change it. Do not share your PIN with anyone. You can top up your Binance Pay wallet with cryptocurrencies from your spot wallet anytime. Your account setup is now complete. You can now go to Pay and start using Binance Pay. How to make payments with Binance Pay? Click on Pay. Scan the Binance Pay QR code or paste your recipient's Pay ID to make a payment. You can also simply long press the Binance app icon from the home screen and click Scan. Check and confirm the payment details, then click Continue to proceed with your payment. If you wish to change your payment currency order, click Funds to Use. To view the available currencies for payment, click Confirm after reviewing the payment details. Then enter your Pay PIN for payment verification. Your payment is now completed. Binance Pay will deduct the payment amount from your balance according to the token currency order you set. How to receive payments with Binance Pay? Click Receive. Add Amount. Select BNB and enter the amount. Binance Pay will generate a unique QR code based on the payment details. Simply send this QR code or your Pay ID to your payer to receive payment. You may leave the Amount field blank if you don't want to specify the payment amount. After the payment is successfully completed, the funds will be reflected in your Pay wallet. Binance Pay, the crypto lifestyle you always wished for.